So what I do is I try to think of the rhythm like a set of drums or a guitar, because I love to play guitar, and that's what I hear in my head when I'm playing behind a lead instrument. I try to add as much percussive sound as I can, you know. But it all comes back to that simple bowing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and teach you the chords to the seconding of the two-step. And we're going to be playing these on the D and the A string. Okay? So this is the first chord would be a G. That would be the first finger on the A string, third finger on the D string. So that's the chord right there. Second chord would be the D, which would be the second finger on the D string with the open A. And the last chord would be A, first finger on the D string with the open A string. So the progression would go, we're going to repeat this progression 3 times. Okay, it's going to go like this. Then we're going to go to this part here. What we're doing here, we're just coming down and pressing down on the D and the A string together here. So we're taking it from this A chord, bringing down this finger here. So that would be an E. Okay? Back there. So let me run through that again for you. So I'm going back to the A, okay? After that E chord. This A string's open again here. Then I'll repeat that whole phrase again. Isn't that pretty? Just that is beautiful. Just that makes a song. The seconding. Now I'm going to teach you the B part rhythm to the Acadian two-step, and it's very real simple. The chord will be A and E. Okay? So let me just show you the chords first. The A would be the G string and the D string with the one finger barred. So you're pressing down on these 2 strings, okay? The G and the D string. And remember, I like to slide into them. It adds a little pulse, a little drone. Okay, so and the other chord is, so you're going to keep this finger, say when you're in this position, you just add this second finger up here. So what you're doing, you're barring. You can keep the finger barred on these 2 strings. And just add this second finger, okay, on the G string. That will be an E chord. So it would go something like this. Okay, you can keep it real simple. Okay, then you're going to repeat that whole phrase again. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and put all the pieces together for the seconding rhythm on the Acadian two-step. Okay, so here we go. And once you get comfortable playing this, you can go ahead and play the lead to what we're doing here. You know, you can practice your lead playing against this second fiddling that I'll be doing. Here we go. When you're playing these seconds, you can go up and down on the hammer-ons. You don't have to really slide into them now, but I want you to go ahead and learn how to do that though. But at first, just go ahead and, you know, practice all those little things, add them in. Okay, I'm going to play the seconding to the Acadian two-step up the tempo. So play along with me. Let you know that when I play a song, I don't play the same notes. I don't play the same notes every time. That's the beauty of music for me and all musicians. We have to. That's how we express ourselves. We have a basic outline of a song that we follow, but within that outline, you can do pretty much what you want to do. You know, and I just want to tell you about that so that later down the road you'll understand how it works. You know, the more you practice, the more knowledge about the music, and you'll start learning your instrument more, and you'll take chances, and that's the fun of it. That's the beauty of it. Take chances.